Hello, my name is Christina, and I'll be reading today's daily devotion from Jesus Calling. Come to me, come to me, come to me. This is my continual invitation to you, proclaimed in holy whispers. When your heart and mind are quiet, you can hear me inviting you to draw near. Coming close to me requires no great effort on your part. It is more like ceasing to resist the magnetic pull of my love. Open yourself to my loving presence so that I may fill you with my fullness. I want you to experience how wide and long and high and deep my love is for you so that you can know my love that surpasses knowledge. This vast ocean of love cannot be measured or explained, but it can be experienced. Based on John 6. God bless you.
Just a closer walk with thee. Granted, Jesus is my plea. Daily walking close to thee. But thou art strong. Jesus, keep me from all wrong, and I'll be satisfied as long as I walk. Let me walk close to thee. Through this whole world of toil and snare, if I falter, Lord, who cares? And who with me my burden share? None but thee, dear Lord, none but thee. And when my feeble life is o'er, time for me will be no more. Guide me gently, safely on to thy kingdom shore, to thy shore. Just a closer